Welcome to StatHub's YouTube channel. Start by liking and subscribing to this video. Welcome to this tutorial on multiple linear regression. Let's start by defining what multiple linear regression is. Multiple linear regression is a type of statistical method used to determine the linear relationship between two or more independent variables and an outcome variable. It measures the relationship between predictor variables, also known as explanatory variables, and the response variable, which can be continuous or discrete. To explain this concept further, let's consider a case study. Our goal is to predict student test scores based on the amount of sleep, study hours, and other factors like music preferences and hobbies. To examine the relationship between these variables in linear regression, we need to create a data frame that contains several columns of data. First, we identify our independent variables such as sleep, sleep hours per day, study time, study hours per week, music preference, likes classical or rap music, and hobby, like gardening. Each one is considered an individual independent variable that helps us predict the student's test score, which serves as our dependent variable. The next step involves defining our linear model, which will have multiple terms representing each independent variable along with intercept terms in order to capture any potential effects from omitted variables. In this case, it would include sleep, study, music preference, and hobby. Additionally, if there were any other independent variables that were considered important for predicting test scores that weren't included in our model, then their effect could be captured by an intercept term without having to specify them explicitly in the model. Now that we have defined our linear model, it's time for us to calculate its coefficients, which will tell us how much impact each one of our independent variables has on our dependent variable test score. For example, if we find out coefficient for sleep is 0.5, then this would indicate that every hour increase in sleeping leads to a 0.5 unit increase in predicting test scores on average, all else being equal. This concludes our tutorial on multiple linear regression. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.